Hi, it's Mrs. Morin, and today we will be combining shapes or polygons to create a composite polygon or a composite shape. So what does that word composite mean to us? It means that we are creating a brand new polygon made out of these smaller polygons. And I'm showing you a tangram, which we'll talk about later, what it exactly is. But here's a tangram. It's a square on the outside, the perimeter. And if you can look at it, you can see that there are shapes hiding inside. So let's see. I can see that I have triangle. I have a green triangle. I have a yellow square. I have another red triangle. I have a blue triangle. I have a blue parallelogram here, light blue, and I have another triangle in the corner. So when I put the smaller polygons together, I get a square. So this is a composite shape. It is a polygon. It is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. So it's a quadrilateral, we know, because it has 4 sides. I see here and here, those sides are parallel. So what did I use to create that quadrilateral? I see 3 different shapes here. I see a triangle, I see a square, and I see another triangle. And when I put those 3 polygons together, I get my quadrilateral. Now remember the 2 purple triangles and the orange square, because I think I see them again. Make sure you have your paper with you and make sure you're drawing these on your paper with me, okay? So this is another composite shape. This one is a parallelogram. It's also a quadrilateral. Let's see, does it have 4 sides? It sure does. Parallelogram, 2 sides there that are parallel, another set of sides that are parallel. So what polygons did we use to create it? I see those same shapes. I see the triangle, the orange square, and the second purple triangle. And I put them together and I create a quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram, a special type. This is a special type of quadrilateral, and this is my composite shape. So here's another example of a composite shape, and it's starting to look familiar, right? I see an orange square. I see 2 triangles, total of 3 shapes. And this is a rectangle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. These sides are the same length. These sides are the same length. See, I have right angles, right angles. So this is a rectangle. And once again, I created it using a square and 2 triangles. So this is my composite shape. And these other shapes are like hiding inside, like you have to be able to really look for them. So what is a tangram? It's a puzzle of a square. It has to be a square. Square, 4 sides, same length, cut into 7 pieces. I counted them. There's 7. And after you cut them apart, or when you're given the tangram, you have to put them back together to form a square with no pieces left over, no shapes left over. So what polygons, here's the tangram again. This time we've colored the squares, and I'm going to have you do that also. You can do that after the video. Make sure you're copying this down and you can cut it up and color it. So what polygons are hiding inside the square? So here we go. I see a triangle. I see another triangle. I see another triangle. I see the square. I see the triangle. I see my parallelogram. And I see another triangle down there. But are they the only ones that we see? What else can we see? I have two triangles here, but I can see if I put them together, they're going to form a larger triangle. I see I have a parallelogram here. If I put it together with this triangle, it forms another type of quadrilateral. It's not a parallelogram anymore, it's just a quadrilateral. If I take the blue triangle and I put it together with the red square, I get another quadrilateral. If I put this triangle with the red square with the yellow triangle, I get another type of quadrilateral. And then I have this triangle here still. So there's a lot of different shapes we can put together, not just the single shapes inside. We can put them together inside the shape to create different shapes. All right, so let's identify each polygon labeled in the tangram as precisely as possible in the space below. So we know A is our triangle. Three-sided shape. B is our two sets of sides are parallel, so that's our parallelogram. It's a quadrilateral. Okay, four sides, we know it's a quadrilateral. Two sets of parallel sides make it a parallelogram. It says be as precise as possible. And C is our square. Okay, excellent. So see if you can create a tangram, copy it down on paper where the lines are, okay? Before we cut it, we color it. And then after that, you can cut it up and see if you can put it back together. Have fun. Do this with a friend and make sure you're always looking for those shapes inside, those shapes that are hiding from you. You can find them, okay? Have fun with your friend.